how to make sure that the team is on the same page, how to make sure that everybody is thinking in the same direction. We discussed about quality of thoughts and flow of thoughts. Most of the time, the problem in our team happens because of the thought process. So it is very important to have a vision defined for your whatever you do. If you have if you have defined a vision for yourself and your business, that helps not only to find right talent, right people in your business, it also helps them do focus thinking in that direction. So what is that focus thinking I'm talking about, right? So for example, the my vision is growth for all, right? I want to create a more giving world. I want to create help people create a life of prosperity and peace, right? So everything that I do revolves around that. How can I empower people to be prosperous? How can I empower people to become more giving? How can I help people grow? And exactly those thought process boil down to the team in terms of the team brainstorming on things or doing things, or when and you're looking at your clients, how when you want to serve your clients, what should be the thought process, right? So vision statement basically describes where the organization wants to be in future, right? It's a futuristic statement. So very important to have a vision for your business, whatever it is. Even if you are a single person solopreneur, what is it that you want to do? Because then you have given direction to your thought process on how you will be having your dealings, not only with your customers, with your team, with your partners, with your vendors, with your suppliers. Now let's talk about what does the team comprise of. What does the team comprise of, right? You, your partners, your employees, your vendors, your customers, everybody is a team for you. So once you have defined the vision, it's time to write the mission statement, right? Even if you're a solopreneur, even freelancer, one person, still it makes a lot of sense to put, because it gives a direction to where you are headed in whatever you do. It helps you make choices, it helps you make decisions. So mission is more like, now the vision is growth for all. So how can I give growth to all? How can I create a more giving world? Right? How can I help people live a life of prosperity and peace? Right? So mission statement basically describes what you need to do, the doing part, okay, to achieve your vision, right? So it is very specific. For example, for me, the mission is actually, when I say I want to create a more giving world, I have created a platform called Giga, Giga, give and gain, first two letter of the word give and gain, which aspires to connect billions of gives and needs across the world in the form of time, things, money, and medical help. Basically, the platform is uplifting the lower section of the society, which is a growth, again, growth for all, uplifting the lower section of the society, which is mostly people who are having less than 30,000 salary a month. NGOs can just be beneficiaries, but main platform has been created for the working section of the society whose income is less than 30,000 a month. So because a little support from us can uplift them, and it matters to me because I want growth for all, right? And how can I raise the how can I create help people create a life of prosperity and peace? To raise the consciousness of the people by creating, organizing, broadcasting high quality information, knowledge, insights, and wisdom, actually, right? Which I'm doing right now with you guys, right? So see, everything has to be connected, because then otherwise we don't have clarity in what we are doing. We are simply doing things. I have been there. I have been simply doing things in my life without having clarity, because there was lack of direction. There was actions, there was decision making, there was everything was there. I was doing everything, but I was just circling around. Why? Because I had no direction, sense of direction, right? It's very important to have vision. Gives you a sense of direction, and it will make you help you. Suppose I have 10 product ideas, right? And I keep getting, somebody says, can you invest in my business, some in some pharmaceutical product, or Somebody recently wrote to me on Messenger saying that could you we want to participate in BBMP elections. Could you help us? Could you be part of this? It's not my interest. I don't know. It does not align to my mission vision. So it's I straight away no, right? So I know that where I am headed and what is it that I should be doing to achieve what I want to achieve or what I would like to do in this world, right? So that's about it.